Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on this video. I'm going to be demonstrating how to create looks using the L'Oreal Steampod 3.0. Don't forget, if you love this video, go and subscribe to my channel to see more. So let's get going. Fill the water tank with demineralized, filtered or bottled water with the applicator bottle provided. Once on, the small light on the Steampod body indicates that the Steampod is active. Choose the temperature according to your hair type. For this look, the no dry blow dry, I'm going to be smoothing out type 2 textured hair to create a salon style finish. I'm leaving the detachable comb on the Steampod to help smooth the hair out more. Ideally, section your hair off starting in the nape of the neck. Place your first section of hair in the middle of the plaits in between the two arrows on the body. Your section shouldn't be too wide or too thick, and make sure that the arrows are pointing downwards while styling. Run the Steampod through the hair at approximately 45-degree angle from the roots through to the ends, remembering to bevel the ends of the hair under to give a more bouncy blow-dried feel. Once you reach the top of the head, the very top sections you need to direct away from the face, and as you're moving down the section, rotate the Steampod 180 degrees and then keep passing through the section until you reach the ends. This again will give your hair a more blow-dried shape. Repeat this on both sides. For some extra root lift, insert the Steampod at the roots and wrap the hair around the body, then lift upwards as you move down the section. And there it is, type 2 textured hair transformed into a salon finish blow dry. You can either part your hair in the centre as shown here. I find this tends to feel more youthful, or you can part your hair on the side for a slightly more glamorous feel and add a touch of wind to it to feel editorial. You should find this technique super easy and understand why I called it the no dry blow dry. Gorgeous. Thanks for watching, and remember to press that little subscribe button if you want to see more of my gorgeous hair tutorials.